Okay, we have another tune-up report on the Alpha 10 AM-1000. We call it the Alpha Max. This is for Kevin in Washington. Kevin, well, we got it in sideband now. Let's take a look. Take a look at our sideband.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. And the peak power meter here. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, and on the oscilloscope looks really good. No flat topping, looks really good. So 35 watts of nice clean sideband power. Check, check, check.
Okay. We'll put it on AM. You see there's a 10 watt carrier there. This is 0 to 30. And over here on the 50 watt scale, audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks pretty good, 50 watts. And over here on the oscilloscope, audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. All right, let's put it on the air. We've reprogrammed them all. You've got all the way down. You've got 40 channel segments here, 25, 615, 065, 515, and then channel 1 of CB. So 40 channels each one. And then when you get up to that band, the very next band, the F band, that's been programmed for just 10 meters. So you're going to get all the way up to channel 60 on that one. To 29.68, starting at 28.3, which is the voice band for 10 meters. All right.
Breaker 19 for radio check.
Let's try that one more time. Breaker 19 for radio check. Come on.
It's working, bro.
I appreciate the comeback. Thank you very much.